If you are a beginner in learning Thai and looking for a way to improve your Thai, then this video is for you because hi everyone, I'm Yu from Vietnam. I have been living in Thailand for 2 years. When I first came to Thailand, I was so excited. I was like, I'm gonna crush Thai language. I need to learn it. I can communicate with the local. But soon I was intimidated by how difficult it is. The grammar is, and especially the alphabet. It just looked like a snake, a wolf, crawling all over the place for me. Sorry, Latai, I love you, but... And the tools as well, it was extremely challenging for me to find a good tools to practice Thai at home until I found Ling. To me, it's one of the best apps to learn Thai, even ChatGPT says so. I have been using it for 2 years now and I can't wait to make this video to share it with you. First, when you open Ling app, you can choose what language that you want to use as an instruction. It can be your mother tongue or a language that you know, and choose the language that you want to learn. In this case, I would choose Thai, but Ling also offers many hard languages, which is very difficult for us to find material to learn, especially Southeast Asian languages and Slavic languages. For example, you can find Hindi here, Indonesian, Khmer, Vietnamese, Malay, so cool. So here I'm gonna choose Thai. And when we open the app, you will notice right away that this app is used for all levels. They have beginners, intermediate, upper intermediate, advanced, and even the expert level, which I really love about an app because normally an app will offer you beginner level until upper intermediate level. It's so difficult, so rare for me to find a tool that I can learn up to expert level. Here you can get some banana points if you want to rank higher in the leaderboard. Oh, by the way, Ling is mean monkey in Thai. So we get banana points. They have many different topics that you can choose to learn from. Introduction, numbers, families, activities, food, taste, in the cafe, eating out, at the airport. So many. So you can jump right in the section that you think is the most practical to learn and practice in real life. Let me give you an example for the introduction section. I love the interface, it's just so colorful, it's fun and cute.
ผู้หญิงฉันเป็นผู้หญิง
Can you hear the audio? This is so clear. And I also checked it with my Thai local friends. I asked them, is this okay to use? They said, yes, the voice is so good. So here you can have a function of fast or slow.
ฉันเป็นผู้หญิง
Okay, you see what I mean for beginner? It's gonna be very easy for you to practice. Okay, now we have some game. A woman ผู้หญิง
ผู้หญิงเด็กผู้หญิงเธอเป็นเด็กผู้หญิงผู้ชายเด็กผู้ชาย
So sometimes I have just 5 minutes, I'm getting bored, I'm waiting for food, I just take out my phone and then play around with those games. It gets very interesting for me.
เด็กเขาเป็นเด็กผู้ชาย
This is the listening exercise.
ฉันเป็นผู้หญิง
Okay, put words in order. I am a woman.
คุณเป็นผู้ชายสวัสดีค่ะ
สวัสดีครับ
สบายดีไหมคะ
ผมสบายดีครับแล้วคุณล่ะครับ
ฉันสบายดีค่ะขอบคุณค่ะลาก่อนค่ะ
แล้วเจอกันครับ
โชคดีค่ะ
And the part of the lesson is the conversation. So here's the conversation and the phrases that they use here are practical type. It's not textbook that you can learn and you're never able to use it. Those you actually can learn and then talk it to the local people. And now you do some exercise with this conversation as well. So after you finish your lesson, there will be a review so that you can check all of the things that you have learned before. But the cool things about this app is they have so many amazing functions. For example, as I mentioned at the beginning, I'm just struggle with try to recognize the Thai letters and learn how to read and write. Here in Ling, they also teach you how to write as well. Go guide. And now we can just use our finger to practice write, follow the instruction. And I can use it just in my iPhone. Go guide. I'm just so thrilled that Ling had this function because it definitely helped my writings and reading skill way better. Nano, you can listen to Nano. Excellent. And besides writing, let me show you the speaking.
เด็กผู้ชาย
So now you hear it, and this is the time for us to practice. เด็กผู้ชาย Yup.
12
12.
คุณเป็นผู้ชาย
คุณเป็นผู้ชาย It's amazing. And when we finish the lesson, we have the exam to test what we have learned.
อังกฤษ
อังกฤษ
เธอมาจากประเทศเยอรมนี
เธอมาจากประเทศเยอรมนีสิ So you're gonna play a lot of games to learn a language. And here we can check on the grammar note to learn more about the grammar in Thai language. And in the grammar note, there's also the audio for you to learn grammar and again practice your listening.
เขามาจากประเทศญี่ปุ่น
So I know for us learners, sometimes we're very lazy to learn grammar, but we should because grammar is the backbone of the language, so don't be lazy. Let's start it. And here, just have a quick read and we can understand more grammar, we can be more confident when we speak the language. And a highlight of this app is the culture note. So Ling not just doing a great job in teaching us the language, but also help us to understand the culture better. So here, there's the culture note. So actually today's is the Loi Krathong Festival Day. And here you can read about the Loi Krathong Festival and what it is to learn more about the Thai culture. And on the home page, you can see the review tab. So here in the review section, we can review our vocabulary and the dialogue that we have learned. In the vocabulary section, you can see there's so many phrases and words we have studied. We can listen to it again fast,
12
slow.
12
Okay. And the dialogue would contain all of the dialogue that we also have practiced as well. Just click to the play button.
สวัสดีค่ะ
สวัสดีครับ
สบายดีไหมคะ
ผมสบายดีครับ แล้ว
สวัสดีค่ะ
It's like texting. The two people are texting back and forth to each other, and now we can observe how the natural conversation would flow. And in the dialogue section right here, we can talk to the chat box like a real person. So here we have a two versions, one in male and one in female. I am female, so I can click into the microphone button and record my voice. ฉันชื่อแมรี่ค่ะ
ฉันชื่อแมรี่ค่ะ
There you go. So we can practice our tones and our speaking with this. So that's it for the Ling app review for Thai language. And I hope you can check it out because it's definitely a game changer for any beginners are trying to learn Thai right now. Thank you so much and I see you in the next videos. Bye bye.